In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist filters. Welcome, and let's dive right in to master this powerful productivity tool. First, open up your web browser and direct it to app.todoist.com/login. This is where you'll start by accessing your Todoist account. Once there, enter your credentials to log in. You'll need your email address, followed by your password. If you're someone who likes to keep the process streamlined, you can opt to log in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Simply click Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple, and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, it's time to get into the heart of today's topic, filters. Filters in Todoist help you organize and prioritize tasks more effectively by allowing you to view them according to certain criteria. To start using them, locate the sidebar on the left-hand side of the interface. In this menu, select Filters and Labels. This section is your control center for creating new filters and managing existing ones. Look for the add icon next to filters. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new filter. Once the interface prompts you, enter a name for your filter. This could be anything that indicates the purpose of the filter, such as urgent tasks or weekly overview. Being descriptive will help you quickly identify who the filter is for in the future. The next step is crucial, entering the filter query. This is where you specify the criteria your filter will use to display tasks. Understanding the query language can seem daunting at first, but it's really straightforward once you get the hang of it. Let's go through a few examples to illustrate. If you enter at writing, you'll see all writing related tasks, including those overdue or due within the next 7 days. If you use @ball, it will show tasks with labels ending in ball like football or basketball. Another example is using a home, which displays tasks with labels starting with home, such as homework or home remodel. You can get even more specific with queries like msmith to find tasks assigned to a specific person, or hey work to organize tasks by projects ending with work. Lastly, work will show you tasks from sections that include the word work in the title. After you've entered your filter query, the final step is clicking add to save the filter. Once saved, your new filter can be selected from the sidebar at any time, quickly giving you a focused view of specific tasks tailored around your unique criteria. And there you have it, a streamlined way to organize and access the tasks that matter most to you. This is just one of many ways Todoist can enhance your productivity game. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.